Hello all, today we will learn about the various instruction streams. So this is also called as the Flynn's classification. Okay, so it was M.J. Flynn who proposed this classification for the organization of the computer system. And why he did this? Because he was basically trying to categorize or classify the instructions as well as the data items. So as we all know, before trying to understand what an instruction stream is, we need to understand what an instruction is. See, all of us know what an instruction is, right? It's nothing but it's a sequential set of, I wouldn't say sequential, it's nothing but it's a set of instructions, right? And instruction stream means it's sequential. That means it's the sequence of instructions that are being read from the memory is called as the instruction stream. And the data stream, it says the operations performed on the data are nothing but okay in the processor, which constitutes a data stream. So this was Flynn's four major classification. One is single instruction stream, single data stream, single instruction, multiple data stream, multiple instruction, single data stream, and multiple instruction and multiple data stream. So we learn one of them, each one of them in detail. So SIC is basically designed for uniprocessors, that means a single processor, and SIMD, that is single instruction, multiple data stream. So it is basically used in vector processing and parallel processing. And the next one is the multiple instruction single data stream, which is, it can be used in pipeline computers and MIMD in the multi-computers as well as the multiprocessors. So we'll just move on to the single instruction, single data stream. So it says it represents the organization of a single computer which contains, because it is a uniprocessor, right? A control unit, a processor unit, and a memory unit. And here the instructions are being, executed sequentially. And this is how it would look like. Okay, if you can see here, you have one control unit, one processing element unit, and then you have the memory. So it is a single instruction as well as the single data that is being processed. When it comes to single instruction, multiple data, this is how, if you can see here, one single instruction is given to several processing units, right? And it is being, further given to, okay, many memory modules that will, okay, get the required output. So single instruction, multiple data streams, because you have multiple processing units here, okay? And the next one, multiple instruction, single data stream. That means N processor units, each receiving distinct instructions that are operating over the same data stream and its derivatives. So if you can see here, there are multiple, okay, instruction streams, multiple control units, and then you have, multiple processing units, but it is being, converted into a single data stream. That means all of the modules will be combined into one, okay, and then you will be getting the required output. And the next one, that is a multiple instruction, multiple data stream. So this is where this is the architecture of a multiprocessor, I would say, okay, wherein which you have multiple instructions and you also will have multiple processing units and multiple, okay, memory modules that give several instructions. And why it's in a cyclic manner? Because it is the output is again being analyzed, right? So it is a continuous, it's a sequence, it's a continuous set of instructions that are being executed. So this was all for today's class. And in the next class, we will learn about, okay, the various processing that we see, that is a serial versus parallel processing. Until then, okay, so we will meet in the next class. Thank you all.